Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are starting a brand new React series, and this time we are building a crypto tracker app. This app will fetch live cryptocurrency prices using a public API and will make it clean, minimal, and useful. Whether you're a beginner or looking to practice React with real world data, this one's for you. What we will do in this video in part 1, initialize a new React project with White, built by the project structure and components, use a public API like CoinGecko to fetch top crypto data, display key info, coin name, price, and 24 hours change, and basic UI and styling with Tailwind CSS or plain CSS. What you will learn today. The first, how to fetch and display data from an API in React, how to use effect to trigger fetch on mount, managing state for loading, errors and data, how to render dynamic list, and how to build a clean modular UI from scratch. So I think we can start. I had a project, yeah. Um, how we can create it, yeah. uh, Create project with white, yeah. Here you can see comments, yeah. uh, you can choose React here. For now, JavaScript it's enough, yeah. And just use a simple command npm yarn or something else. I use npm and it's enough for me, yeah. And now we have a clean project. Also what we need, it's Tailwind, yeah. um, Tailwind CSS. So yeah, you can open documentation, find this command, yeah. um, Install it. Currently we have it in our packages on, we can check, yeah. uh, yeah, Tailwind CSS white, and we can use it. Also don't forget add it to config and import to Tailwind CSS to your main CSS file. And now I think we can start with it. So let's start our project, yeah. Npm run dev, open, yeah. It's a blank page. So I think it should be like a list with search. In future, we will add some sorting, filtering, etc. But for now, let's create main layout and create some list with items. Yeah. So the first step, we should create components folder. Components and yeah, like crypto tracker. I'm sorry, JavaScript. Yeah, it will be like our main file, const crypto tracker. It's default our arrow function should return for us some layout with div and export it. Let's import it to app, yeah. So I think it's enough. We can, why we have invalid JSS syntaxes, why? Maybe let's wrap it to div or something like this. Yeah, we can close these files. Yeah, let's add some styles. Yeah, class name full min height screen. Yeah, root. Oh, really? I'm sorry, we need to rename. It's should be G6. Oh my god, G6. Yeah, yeah. And currently we can see our div here. I think arrow here. Yeah. So let's maybe add the background color. Yeah. Um, background color. We can choose something like this and open it. Maybe let's use something like this. Yeah, background, and paste this. We can refresh the page. Yeah, it's applied to our application. So let's center our block. Yeah, create new div. Flex items center, justify center. Yeah, it's our block, it's our div here. Let's use not item center. Let's add padding top. I think it will be enough. Padding top, maybe 20 rams. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think it's better. So let's add some name. Yeah. Crypto tracker application. Crypto. Also need add some class names like text white, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Let's choose here font size. I think maybe 36, yeah, pixels. It will be good. Yeah, very good. And font bold because it's like our heading on our website. So very good. Let's create separate component for search. Yeah. File. It will be crypto search. Also not J6, J6. Yeah, and the same crypto search. It should be arrow function with div export crypto search. Yeah, also div. Crypto search. Yeah. We created controlled inputs a lot of times, so we need state, yeah, with search value and set search value. Use state by default, it's empty string. Also, let's create input, yeah. input value, it's our search value. On change, it's event set search value event target dot value. Yeah, let's save it. Class name, let's set margin top 16 pixels. Yeah, it's here. And add styles for our input. With full. Also, let's add background and border, I think. Yeah, border. Let's set 2 pixels border width and border color. Maybe let's choose maybe something like, yeah, something like this. And background, something maybe like, yeah, something like this. And at border radius, in Tailwind it's rounded, also 16, I think. Yeah, and let's add more height also 5 maybe. It's not 5. Let's refresh the page. I think we need add paddings, yeah. Padding or not? Why it's not working for us? I can set height for input or what? It's 20. Let's more 10 maybe. Yeah. I think it's better. And we need to add some styles for text. Yeah. Let's padding x3. Text also white and text maybe base. Yeah, it's 16 pixels. Yeah, I think it's better. Maybe add placeholder for our input. Yeah, placeholder like search. Yeah, it's very pretty, I think. So what is our next step? Let's try to use maybe API. Yeah. So we can close this component and let's create one more component with table. So it's crypto file also, crypto table, table JSX const crypto table. Also arrow function should return some div export default crypto table. Yeah, also can export it. I'm sorry, import. Yeah, div class name margin top 4, also 4. I think it's enough. You can check. Yeah, very good. So I think we can install one more library. It's prettier. Let's try to use it. How it's work? It's like formatter for your code. Yeah. Um, let's try install it. Um, and try to use. So prettier, yeah. And we can find a simple command here. Try to use it, and here we can see our code, but formatted with prettier. Yeah. Very good. Also, we can try add one more command like format. Yeah, format. But yeah, and I think npm run format. Yeah, it's also working. So we install one library. Also, we can add file with settings, but for now, default settings, it's enough for our work. Now code more beautiful and readable, I think, and it's a very good library. You can try to work with configuration files, yeah, add something like tab v's, add tabs, spaces, etc. But for now, it's enough. We install this library and just add it to our scripts. Name it format. You can use any name here. Just paste here correct comment. Yeah, yeah, very good. So, and maybe let's try to use API. Yeah. How we guys, let's continue. I find free APIs for it. Crypto table. Yeah. As we did before in previous video, we can try to get some crypto coins. Let's try to use it. Use effect. Yeah, because we need get it in our first render. And let's create a function. Yeah, const fetch coins. It's a sync function. Fetch coins. It's a sync function. Yeah. And add try block. Try catch with some error. Yeah. And in try block we need fetch some data. So yeah, const result, call await, because we need wait it, and fetch it. Yeah, I leave this URL in comments. Yeah, you can check it. So next step is uh, const data, also await result dot json. Yeah, and now we can console this data. Let's check what we have. Oh, don't forget call this function. Yeah, and try to use it. Yeah, we have main cryptocurrencies in our response. What we have here, um, date, name, its ID, name, uh, okay, last update, in our API we use CoinGecko version coins markets, and here we can choose currency, and also per page 10 it's like pagination, yeah, so we can use it a little bit later, but for now 10 items it's enough. I think in part 2 we add pagination, sorting, filtering, etc., but for now it's okay. So let's create some states, yeah. Const loading, the first set loading, by default it's false. Here in try block, let's start it true, um, and in block finally we can set false, yeah. Also let's create state for error, yeah. set error, by initial it's empty string, and we can use it in this block, yeah. Failed to fetch, failed to fetch data, that failed to fetch data. And also we need one more state, it's for our coins, set coins coins, and initial state empty array, yeah. By default it's array, and here instead of console log we can use set coins, yeah, something like this. We can add some condition like if data, and we have some items here, we can use set coins, yeah, data. So very good. What is our next step? Let's create a simple table, yeah, I think with three columns. I think it's name with icon, price, and updated price for 24 hours. And also let's use our errors and loading, yeah. We can do something like this. So if loading, we can return div, or if error, yeah. Also we should return other data. Here it's in case of error it's error message from catch block, and here we can use just loading. Class name, let's set some class names like text white, size, text base, and let's set paddings, and I think the same styles for for error, but let's, yeah, we can check it. Let's refresh the page. Use slowly internet speed in network tab, and let's check how it works. Yeah. I think it's too slowly. Yeah. Loading. Yeah, it's working. So let's return it. So in this case, let's create a simple table. Yeah. But let's use divs, and it will be enough. Do we have some, yeah, image? Yeah, very good. Let's create a head of our table. It will be 3 divs. Yeah. Here coin, price, and here 24 hours. Let's add class names. Yeah. We can use, I think, grids. Yeah, display grid calls 3, as I remember. Let's check. Yeah, we can check it. Grid column, grid calls and gap. Yeah, grid. Here we can use like global styles for it, but let's use a little bit other color. Yeah, it's like input border, because I wanna have the same color in the head of our application. And also we can add some styles like background color, the same background color. Yeah, also let's add border or rounded top. As I remember, we can use something like this: rounded top, background, and border. Let's add border, border bottom, border like something like this. So let's check what we have. Yeah, very beautiful, but we need add padding 2 maybe. Yeah. So it's beautiful, I think. Let's add our table items. I think we need create separate file for it. Yeah, like crypto item dot j6, not j6, j6, I'm sorry. Const crypto item still error function. Oh my god. Return some value, export crypto item. Yeah, let's use it like coins. Yeah, how we can use our coins? Map coin, And in every map of this render, we should return our crypto item. And don't forget about K, yeah, K block. It's coin.id. Let's create layout for it. I think we can copy some styles from these. Add also 3 divs. Yeah. For example, 1, 2, 3. But let's clear it a little bit. We don't need, I think, border, or we can do something like this: add border top here but delete from here. Yeah. Border, delete rounded, also delete background color, and let's change text to white. So let's check. Yeah. It's pretty, I think, but border top 2 pixels, maybe. Let's try. Yeah. It's more beautiful, I think. So very good. Let's try to add prop. Yeah. Let's call it coin, and here we can use like coin dot name. Bitcoin. Yeah, very good. What we have in our response for it, we need price. Yeah, price. I think it's our price. Yeah. Coin dot, and last 24. What we have 24 here. Price, change it in percentage. Yeah. Yeah. Coin dot something like this, and let's add. In future, we add some colors, I think, for prices for here, but for now it's enough, I think. Also we can use like fix it. Yeah, fix it too, or to fix it, I don't remember. To fix it. Yeah. It's more beautiful, I think. Also price, let's add dollar here. Yeah. And let's add image. Coin name source. I don't remember image. Yeah. Coin image, and let's add class names like size. It's width and height, but in one prop. Coin name. Yeah. Now I think we can use maybe 4. Yeah, it's better. But still need to add styles. Flex, items center, center, gap x2. Yeah, um, very good, I think. Yeah. So what we have? Maybe we can try to do 5 items. Yeah, for now. Let's use 5. Refresh the page, and yeah, we have 5 items in our list. So let's check our steps. Yeah, we use API, get some cryptocurrencies, crypto coins, put this from fetch to our state, use our state to map this information, and in each item of this coin we return crypto item. A crypto item, it's our separate file, separate component with item, and finally we have something like this. I think it's very beautiful and useful. So, and let's add some colors for this, yeah, because um, how we can check it? For example, if, as I remember, it's just a value, yeah, yeah. So we can check if it this value more than 0. We should paint it to green color, yeah, or if we have less than 0, we paint this to red color. So um let's do it here. Yeah, class name coin percentage. If it's more than 0, text, let's use green for now, and here text red. No, text green, text red. Why it's not working? Maybe because we have styles. We don't have, I think, green and red colors. Yeah. Let's choose it like here. Yes, green and something like red. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Yeah, very good. And maybe let's add plus and minus. Yeah, 1 second. We can move it to top of our function, like const is is growing, like growing equal move this top of the function. So, and here we can use like this, and let's is growing plus, in other case, minus. Yeah. Let's try to check. Maybe we can find something like minus. This is broken, I think. But no, it's very good day for cryptocurrency. So okay, I think it should work because we did correct calculations for it. So I think it's enough for now. Yeah. Um, yeah, we can do more functionality. We can do something like search, filtering, sorting, pagination, and maybe in third or fourth lessons we add charts, add details, and add favorites to our cryptocurrency. So yeah, that is for part one of our crypto tracker app. We know how a working layout that fetches and displaying live data from a crypto API. And I think in the next part we will add search input filtering, maybe even sorting, and work more on the design to make it supple, clean, and responsive. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helpful you, and you see in part 2. Bye bye.